got a killer app idea but zero programming experience? It's frustrating, right? It feels like your best ideas are just stuck in your head, trapped behind a giant wall of code that you just don't have the time to learn. Well, in this Draftbit tutorial, I am going to guide you through a visual app builder to create this exact app you are seeing, and we are not going to write a single line of code. By the end of this video, you will have a real working app that you build yourself. Let's get into. So, what exactly is Draftbit? Think of it as a powerful visual playground for building real mobile apps. It's a platform made for anyone, and I mean anyone, to create apps for both iOS and Android without needing to be a developer. The magic here is that while you're just dragging and dropping buttons and text, Draftbit is in the background writing clean, high-quality React Native code for you. You don't need to see it or touch it, but it's important to know you are building a real native application, not just a glorified mobile website. It's the perfect tool for entrepreneurs, designers, or anyone with an idea who is ready to make it happen. It's built for total beginners, but it's powerful enough to grow with you. First thing, let's get you set up. You will need to head over draftbit.com and then sign up. It's super straightforward. You can start with their free plan, which is more than enough for learning the rope and building out your first few ideas. Once you're in, you land on a wizard like this. Here, you need to answer some questions. At least say you need to tell them a bit about yourself so that your project can be tailored by Draftbit to give you a better experience. So let's get started. Like say, how do you plan to use Draftbit? Let's go to just flooring. You can select anyone that suits according to your need. Like if you want to replace an existing app, you can click here and Draftbit will tailor according to your need. Or you can even hire an expert for building your app. Let's say I am a totally beginner, so I'm selecting this not very technical. Whose are the best to describe your organization? I'm selecting the startup as I am building the app for an startup. Where you currently in the process. I have an process but haven't started design or test yet. I'm selecting this because I am totally beginner and I have just got started. What backend or data source you will use, okay? Here you can select anything, like if you have your own backend or API, you can select this one. Or if you have anything else, so like this app will not require storing data in the cloud or anything that is cool for you. Say our own backend or API. I'm selecting this one. Say okay, the setup is complete. Here they are showing some discounts for me. Okay, oh that's amazing. I'm getting a discount if 50% discount. This is the best thing you love about Draftbit. They will always have a surprise discount for you. So whenever you go for their pricing plan, you may get a discount that is quite good enough to get started. Okay, as you are just exploring all the features of you can get started for free. But remember, whenever you need to publish your app on the iOS or Android, you need to go for the premium plan. Here is another amazing thing. You can book a free call with the Draftbit customer support team. They will help you to build your app, and it will be more easy to get started if you totally a beginner and don't have even any idea on drag and drop app builder. Say, okay, fine, no thanks, no thanks. Okay, once you are in, you land on your dashboard. There are two key concepts here, like workspace and project. Just think of workspace as your big folder. If you have a few different app ideas, one will be separate project inside the workspace. Let's create a new project together. Find the workspace tab and click on the create project. Here, it will for main and description, like giving the app name especially logo. Don't skip this feature options because this will help Draftbit to get your app set up and make you some good recommendation that will make it easy to build your app. Okay, let's say, what backend are you using for this app? I don't have any backend for this app. What kind of is this business? How do you plan to deploy this app? Publish to both App Store and web. Okay, fine. How do you want to start? Like you can choose a starting point here. Like start from this case. There are some template like for fast food, for eventual, for get like for a workout app, for NFT app, for on-call app, and so on. You can see here or a socialized app. I'm going for start from this case here, go to next, pick a app color. Okay, fine, I'm picking this one. Okay, I'm ready. Now we are ready to create facility. This may take few seconds to complete. Okay, go. I am ready. Now my application is ready to build. Let's get started. Okay, once your project is ready, you will be in the main editor. I know it might look a little intimidating first, but trust me, it's broken down into three logical parts. On the far left, you have the main navigation panel. This is where you'll see all the screen in your app. Below, this is the company list. This is your toolbox. It's packed with all the building blocks you'll need, like tag, buttons, email, leads. In the middle, you got the canvas. This is a live preview of your app skin. What you see is what you will get. You'll be dragging component from the left panel right into this canvas to build out your design. And over on the far right, the properties panel. This is where you make everything your own. Anytime you click a component on the canvas, this panel will light up with all the options to customize it. You can change its color, size, what the text uses, and later its behavior. So the whole workflow is pretty simple. Grab a component from the left, place on its canvas. In the middle, tweak it using the panel right. So this is super easy. Let me show you how to get started. Alright, now let's get our hands dirty and build our own skin. We're making simple task manager, so let's start with the title. In the components list on the left, find the text component, and here you go. You can drag or you can add the text component to the right of the top. But you can drag it, drop it right at the top of your screen. With that text of component selected, look over the properties panel on the right here. Find the field says text and change it to meta. Now let's make it look more like little. Still in the right panel, find the style properties. Let's crank up the font size to 24 and set the font word to bold. So how it changed instantly. That's the power of actually building visually. You will see every change in this section. So it's taking bit time, so I have selected a template that I can edit according to my need. Like here I can add a photo of mine, I can select or change the title here, or I can add a description here or anything. Here if I need any kind of component, I can add here. Here you can see all the elements you need to build a successful mobile app or web app. Simply drag and drop here and you will see all the, yes, you can see the preview right in front of your eyes. Also, whenever you need to edit anything, you click here and you'll see a live preview of your app here, and you can change anything in properties section. I already can bear because of slow internet speed. It's taking so much time to show you exact how to build an app using Draftbit. As you will get a lot of template here, you can build your native app very easily. As you can see the template here, like I have used a template to build this app, and you can see here every section or live preview in the canvas section. Here in the component section, you can edit every section of this app if you want, according to your business needs or application needs. It's very easy. Anyone can do this. Though as a newbie, it will take few times to understand, implement this features, but try to make sure the internet speed is quite good, because when I was recording this video, my internet speed was not good, so it was taking so much time to load each features. It's definitely an internet issue, not any issue with the Draftbit. So you don't need to worry about this, and the most important thing is you can get started with Draftbit absolutely free, and you can build as many apps as you want as a test basis. And this is the best thing you love about Draftbit. So whenever actually you need to publish the app on the App Store or Play Store, you need to get started with the premium version. And only for $19 per month, you can publish your app on the Play Store and Apple Store. If you need a link, I have given the link in the video description. Don't forget to check that out. And there you have it. In just last few minutes or so, you have gone from a blank screen to a real functional task manager app that runs on your actual phone. You learned how to get around the Draftbit editor, add and style components, manage data with state, use action to bring your app to life. But the most important thing you learned is that you can do this. You can build an app without being a programmer. Your ideas don't have to stay stuck in your head anymore. This is a real skill you can now build on. So what's next? You could challenge yourself to add a delete button for each task, or maybe figure out how to tap a task to mark it as complete. As you get more comfortable, you can even connect your app to external databases and APIs to build some seriously powerful applications. Like if you want to keep going, check out the next video in this 18 videos right here.